What is up, guys? So in today's video, it's going to be a short video. I have 3 things that I want to do with my G35, making it, personalized. Just want to give it little touches here and there. I have 3 things that I'm going to show you guys. So one of the things is this Brazzers license plate frame. I had it on my previous G35, so I decided I'm going to slap it on. Second one is side markers. These just look so much better in comparison. It'll suit the car better because it is a lighter shade of color. So I'm trying to make it a little bit better. And the last one's gonna be a sticker, which I know a lot of people hate stickers and they say that, why are you putting stickers on your car? But I'm gonna show you a trick, subtle way to have stickers on your car without everyone seeing that it's a sticker on your car. But I'll show you guys in a minute. First things first, let's get this bad boy installed. Alright, so just to install this, just in case you guys don't know how to do this, you literally just unbolt these 2 bolts, license plate comes off, put the license plate inside the frame, then you've got yourself a Brazzers license plate frame. Did buy it off a website for like $8, so that was probably the best $8 I've ever spent in my life. My thing with the Brazzers license plate frame is, if you know what it is, you can't really judge the person for having the license plate frame. And if you don't know what it is, you just see it and you're like, oh, Brazzers, whatever, maybe it's a brand or something, until you search it up and you realize what it is. We got the Brazzers part done. So next up we have the side markers. I really don't know how to install them. I know it's like stupid easy. You literally just like pop this off. So I'm assuming you pop it off from the ends, and then this is just a plug and play and that's it. So I'm gonna just go at it, and there you go. Literally just pop it off from the side over here. The bulb is gonna be installed inside the side marker. So what you're gonna do is just twist it left and pull it out, and that's it. Vice versa, you install it how you took it off. Boom. So yeah, you just twist it in and then literally should just snap into place. So there it is. The fitment honestly isn't all that great. You can tell, from afar it looks fine, but if you go over, you can see there's this little like gap coming out. The fitment isn't going to be the same as an OEM. So as you can tell, I kind of fixed it now, and now it doesn't move at all. There's these little pins, the metal pins, you just kind of shape it until it doesn't move at all. So let's go to the stickers. You can put stickers without it looking tacky, without it looking bad, all with doing just one trick that I literally thought of the other day. Usually, there's stickers that are white, color, whatever it is, but in my opinion, I think the best way to get the sticker and not be tacky and not be over the top is to get it in black. If you have tinted windows like I do, it makes it already a black canvas, right? So what you would want to do is just put the sticker on here. Since I have a 3rd brake light right here that lights up every time, in the nighttime, it'll just be a silhouette of this black sticker. Overall, it'll just be a cleaner look for your car, and you get to put the sticker of, let's say, an artist like J. Cole, I know has the little crown. A lot of people like Xavier Wolf. You can put the little logo here, get it installed, and I'll show you guys how it looks. Now guys, if you can see, it's even hard to pick up on camera for me. Sorry about all the dirt, guys. I have not washed my car. Once the car is washed, obviously it would look a lot cleaner. That's just kind of to give you guys some thought. If you guys wanted to get some stickers, it would really complement if you have tinted windows as well, just because it's already black as it is, limo tint in the back for me. This definitely gives it a nice finish on top of that, tinted window look. All right, guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. But yeah, just look at the G. It has such a different look to it, and I really like the way it looks now. Side markers really took a lot from the car. Now it kind of complements it instead. Also, along with the Brazzers license plate frame, that definitely is gonna get a lot of looks for sure. It's gonna be it for this video. This was personalizing my G. Wanted to give it a little tasteful mods. Didn't want to go over the top with it. I do want to do something with the lights. That'll be in the future. But with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.